Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone so you can get a better, clear phone call. So let's go to settings right here and back out to the main settings menu where we can see our name. And then what we want to do is scroll on down under this list and let's go to where it says apps. This is going to be the last option. Then go to phone under here. So when we can see phone, select it. And there should be an option now for Wi-Fi calling. Just simply select this and then turn it on. So if you have a mobile connection, you should be able to enable this once you have your network turned on. And then you can use your Wi-Fi anywhere in your house. So if you live in the woods or something like that, this is a great way to make phone calls. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.